What's up, foodies? Welcome back to Dining Discoveries with Laylo, the place where history, adventure, and halal food collide. This week we're hanging out in Virginia, and trust me, it's not just about textbooks and monuments. It's about good eats, cool vibes, and a whole lot of fun. First up, Williamsburg. Walking here feels like stepping inside a history book, except with the way cooler backdrops for your selfies. Then we ditched the cobblestones for some sand. Hello, Virginia Beach. Waves, sunshine, salty hair. Yeah, this is the good life. And then food. Our first halal stop, Mosaic Turkish Food. Pineapples, coconuts, sizzling sujuk. It's basically a party for your taste buds. Of course, we had to slide through Tyson's Corner Mall, aka shopping paradise. Clothes, snacks, gadgets, if you want it, they got it. And we wrap it all up with rich Yemeni flavors that had us licking the plates clean. Stick around, you're gonna love this ride. As soon as you walk into Mosaic Turkish Food, boom, flavor explosion. Grilled sujuk, spices in the air, everyone smiling. It's like stepping straight into food heaven. Hi, Brother Hakan. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
I am so excited to explore your kitchen and explore whatever you'll prepare for us today.
Oh yeah, sure. I would like to show my kitchen.
Sure. This is like sweet section, right?
Yes.
Oh, these are fruits, right?
Yes.
Interesting.
We all use the actual fruit
These are
to make the smoothies. We use only fruits and honeys.
Wow, very natural, right?
Yes.
And yo, these drinks! Pineapples chopped fresh, coconuts cracked open right in front of you. Forget boring sodas. This is vacation in a cup. Yay! Your brother is coming with the pineapple.
Yes. Now I will make it some fresh smoothies.
Smoothies for
Yes.
us. Yay! We're by the beachfront and we're gonna have some beach vibes.
I mean, many years ago, it was no like any cafe to you can sit and get the rest or any drink.
Here?
Yes, at the oceanfront.
Oh.
It was only one coffee shop, and then we want to make it some little bit different.
Okay.
We start to make it a smoothie and coffees, and then we are the first person we brought the oceanfront. It was 2017 we start to make the smoothies because we are close to the beach. People like to take the picture and they want to enjoy it like really healthy. We need to make it something different than others, and then we start to make it the pineapple bowl, carving the inside, taking the outside, and then we make the smoothie.
Fresh pineapples, right?
Yes, we use the fresh pineapple, and then we use the actual fruit.
Just honey.
Just honey.
No dairy, nothing.
No dairy.
Just fresh
No,
natural.
no corn syrup.
Oh, I like it. Who wouldn't want to drink this, right? Oh my god. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I love it.
I like that.
They're so pretty. I love it. Ah! They brought the coconuts from Florida. They'll be actually cutting fresh, and we'll have the freshest coconut drink right here. Oh yeah, you come here often?
Every year.
Every year?
Yeah.
You come every year here?
Yes.
What's your name?
Elder.
Her vibes, I love that.
Our favorite place. We love this place.
You come often?
Yes. Yes.
What's your favorite place?
That's favorite place.
All right.
We like Turkish food.
Yeah.
We love
Yeah.
the food, the culture.
Yeah. Every year.
I love your flower.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is our green coconut. I will cut it.
Okay.
Just
So cool.
yeah, making some small cut from here.
Let's see how it tastes. So cool. Florida produces coconuts too, right?
Yes.
Yay! Coconut is open now. Wow, as fresh as it can get. Look at this pretty.
This is the drink.
Wow.
Making you cool down.
Electrolytes, if you're working out or if you're by the beach, this is the best thing to keep you hydrated. This is so healthy. It's so amazing.
It is natural.
Oh, look at this. Amazing. Aren't you guys excited for me? I'm excited for myself. It's so beautiful. Let's go. I'll review that thing. Back in the kitchen, it's like a food concert. These chefs are on beat and every plate is basically a work of art.
And this is our kitchen here. And I would like to make today for you some of our special lahmacun.
Lahmacun?
Yes, it's really crispy and it's really nice. It's not like a pizza. Whoever eats lahmacun,
They come back, right?
they come back. Yes.
This is all your section
Yes.
of meats and stuff, right?
Yes, we use 100% halal products here.
Some of the stuff you guys bring from Turkey, right?
Yes, like a sujuk, and we have some special herbs comes from Turkey. Here,
You can't find them, right?
yes, you cannot find it, and here is like it's not like a
Doesn't
our
taste.
town. Yes.
Awesome. And what are you dipping it in? What is that?
This is the really thin semolina.
Semolina. Okay.
Yes, it's making a little bit crispy.
Oh.
That's why I use this one.
Oh wow, look at that. You know, with your hands it takes
Yes,
forever, right?
it's taking time, and we are using a little bit technology now.
Awesome, that's so cool. Meat is prepared from beforehand, right?
Yes. This one has the meat, onion, garlic, parsley. It has some tomato inside. In this business, we are almost, it turned 5 years. Like 5 years we are here. How we started, now we are growing. We are getting support from our Muslim
Outside.
community.
Oh really? That's
Yes.
beautiful.
A few minutes later.
Guys, we burnt this one
Yes.
because I was chit-chatting too much. Oh, and we played a game. Guess what's in sujuk? Winner eats for free. And yep, they crushed it. And free meal unlocked. Where are you from?
From Turkey.
From Turkey. Okay. They have to count all the ingredients that are every single thing that goes into lahmacun, and you can win this whole thing for your family today. We're gonna ask the lady. She was so confident. She's from Turkey. She's like, of course I know everything in it. Let's see.
Domates,
Yes,
soğan,
yes,
taze biber,
yes,
salça,
yes,
kimyon,
yes.
isot ya da
That's right.
She's gonna win.
yahni.
Yeah.
The kıyma means the
Kıyma is
ground
not-
beef. Yes. Oh,
Kıyma ana maddesi zaten. Hamur,
yes.
un, hamur, lahmacun, sarımsak,
Sarımsak.
That's
Soldunuz.
right.
Sarımsak.
maydanoz.
Yep, that's all.
Oh my god, we got a winner here! You guys won a free dish. That was out without buying something. Spoiler, you can.
Layla, I would like to show our small, cute Mosaic Bazaar.
Uh-huh.
It's the handcrafted store.
You guys opened it.
Yes, we opened that one the same time. Bring some our Turkish culture to oceanfront to make it a little bit colorful when you look at the inside.
It's right here.
Yeah.
Mosaic Bazaar. So, brother, this is amazing. I love this beautiful shop.
This is our small shop. Why we open it here? Because many people, they were really interested in our mosaic lamps.
Oh, okay.
They would like to have it in them house too.
Oh, from
And
your
then-
restaurant you're
Yes,
sending. It's such
yeah.
a good marketing, actually.
Kind of, yes.
That's awesome.
Yeah, we start like from the small corner in the restaurant.
Uh-huh.
A few lamp, we brought it.
Oh.
And they were really interested, they really like it. And then we said, why not?
To
And
have
we-
a store, right?
Yes, and then we open it. Those are really, they're handmade it. They cut all colorful glass.
You have another store, Mosaic. Is it yours too?
Yes, that's
Oh
ours
my
too.
god, you
Me
guys
and
have
my-
two. That's
Yes.
amazing.
Me and my partner Emre, we opened together.
Emre, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. All right, time to shop till we drop. Tyson's Corner Mall. This place is huge. Clothes, sneakers, tech, and don't even get me started on the food court. Retail therapy? More like retail workout. One of the very interesting things to do in Virginia, especially if you're in Fairfax, is visiting this mall, which is called Tyson's Corner. It's one of the biggest malls here. Who doesn't love shopping? Especially in Canada, you don't get that many discounts like you would get in the States. So shop until you drop, right? You can enjoy coming and visiting and doing one of these things here. And now, drum roll, the Yemeni feast. Look at this, fluffy rice, tender meat, spices doing the cha-cha on your tongue. It's straight up comfort food goals. Now we're gonna be asking the manager of the restaurant. Brother's gonna explain why the name of the restaurant is Marib, and he's gonna explain all of these beautiful.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Khan. I'm one of the manager of this restaurant. Marib is a very famous city in Yemen, next to Sana'a, which is Daral Wahid Daral near Sana'a.
Look at this. Even they have the introduction here. Yeah.
One stone building. The pictures are very ancient and very nice pictures.
And you know, very interesting thing is when you're ordering the food, you don't just order the food, but in order to be familiarized with the restaurant, they give you these pictures of the city that this restaurant was named after. And then they also have the explanation, a little bit of history of the city. You could dive into the history when you're reading. And then when you're eating the food, that you know, like the food came authentically from that location. Oh, that's so true.
Correct. It is.
Look at this.
It
I
is
just put it in.
peel off with the fork. We do not even use the knife at all.
Wow, this is so yummy. Very fresh.
Very fresh, yep.
This is real authentic Yemeni food and I love it. Well, explorers, another amazing episode came to an end. I was really blown away by the whole entire restaurant decor and beautiful people that are working here. And also the food was amazing. You just have to come and try everything here. I cannot just give out with words how beautiful this place feels, especially beaches right next to you. And you get everything that is necessary to keep you happy here. Right, brother?
Of course, absolutely. I will say thank you, person to you.
Our pleasure.
And visiting us. Our doors open to everybody at the oceanfront, and we are waiting to whoever comes. Our doors open. What we make it here, everything is make it from the scratch, and we make it with our hearts, and that's making our popular because everything's delicious here. Whenever you come to the Virginia Village, please visit us. You will decide it. Is it good or bad? I'm sure you will like it.
Of course, they would not regret it. I'm promising you, you're not gonna regret the whole experience. It's absolutely mind-blowing. Until next time, bye-bye, explorers.
Thank you.
And that's a wrap, folks. Virginia surprised us big time, from colonial streets to beach waves, Turkish smoothies to Yemeni spice bombs. This trip was one of the books. Thanks for tagging along. Smash that like, drop a comment, and hit subscribe if you're hungry for more. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and stay hungry.